Hello, today we are going to discuss this problem of sort colors. This is a very famous problem. Sometimes it is known as Dutch flag problem, something like that. I don't remember exact name. And this is a very famous problem. And in this we want to, we are given an array with n objects colored red, white, and blue, and we have to sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with colors in the order red, white, and blue. So it's asking that, the array nums is going to have only 3 values. And these 3 values will be denoting the colors red, white, and blue. And they are usually denoting these 3 colors with 0, 1, and 2. So notice that this array is only going to contain only these 3 values, nothing else than that. So to sort this, what we are going to do, we can apply any other, logic, but the best efficiency of that will be n log n. And but the space of our, um, objects to be sorted is only 3, limited to 3. The space, the input space of the values, the keys on which the sorting has to happen is limited to only 3. In order to, better sort this, in order to, get better efficiency than n log n, we are, directly going to count the number of zeros and number of ones. And that's how we are going to, sort this array in place. So let's see what I'm going, I'll show in code what I'm trying to tell, that 0 is equal to 0, count to 1 is equal to 1. Okay, for int I is colon nums, if I is equal to 0, count 0, else if I is equal to, else if I is equal to 1, then we are going to increment count to 1 value. That's it. And then in the array I less than nums dot length, sorry, I less than nums dot length, what we are going to do, that if I is less than count 0, then what we are going to do, nums of I is equal to nums of I is equal to 0. Else if I is less than count to 0 plus count to 1, then we are going to do nums of I is equal to 1. Okay, else we are going to do nums of I is equal to 2. So I hope, I'm clear with what I wanted to show it to you. So again, just, to recap, the logic here is very simple. We are going to, initialize 2 variables, count 0 and count 1. We are going to initialize both of them with the 0 value. And then in the array, we are going to count if I on nums, that if I is equal to 0, then we are incrementing count 0. If I is equal to 1, then we are incrementing count 1. And that's how we are, after that, for that respective count values, we are populating the nums with the values of that nums I, and that's how we are doing it. So let's go ahead and, see how it is running. So we'll run this. Perfect. Perfect. So this is beating 100%. That's the good part about this. If you have any question, let me know in the comments.